Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into something that's both practical and nostalgic, leathercraft. Specifically, I'll be making a custom strap for my thermos. And just like this thermos, a good strap should stand the test of time. Today I'm going to show you how I'm adding my own personal touch to make it even more durable and unique. Stick around as I walk you through this leathercraft project. If you enjoy what you see, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss out on a single video. Let's get started. And that's the strap all done. Thank you for sticking to the end, and I'll see you in the next one.